Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. This Equinox is featured in a silver paint finish and is the LT trim. It includes features such as 17-inch alloy wheels, backup camera with adaptive guidelines, lane keep assist, forward collision warning, a powered liftgate, heated front seats, as well as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Starting off in the front of our vehicle, we can see a chrome finish door handle inside, door locks and unlocks. Below it are powered mirror and window controls, as well as our window lock. Then we have some storage, as well as our powered liftgate button. Down the side of the seat, we can see all of our powered controls. You can also see our driver's seat, finished in our premium jet black cloth, and is heated in the front of the vehicle. Just to the left of the steering wheel, we have all of our lighting controls. Getting in, just on the right of the steering wheel, we have our push to start ignition, so foot on the brake and push the ignition button. Above our steering wheel, we can see that we have a digital display cluster with an information system in the middle. Left-hand side of the steering wheel has our cruise setting. In the center of our cruise, a forward collision alert. And below it to the right is our lane keep assist. Right-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our hands-free, as well as the buttons to adjust what is displayed in the middle of our display cluster. Moving to our infotainment system in the middle, we have AM/FM audio, Sirius XM, as well as Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. Below it, auto start engine and hazard lights. Then we have our dual zone front climate control. And on the bottom below our knobs is our heated front seats. Then lower again, we have all of our storage space, as well as a USB-C, USB, auxiliary, and 12-volt plug. Then we have our all-wheel drive button, as well as our parking sensors. You can see we have two cup holders and a storage space. You can see that our key here. We have our locks and unlocks at the top, remote starter, as well as our powered liftgate and alarm system. Moving to our center console, we have a button underneath. We can see we have deep storage, as well as a removable top storage. Moving to the passenger seat, it's the same jet black cloth that was featured in the driver's seat and is featured throughout the rest of the vehicle. Lastly, above the rear view mirror are OnStar settings, rear check reminder, lighting controls, and a sunglass holder. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our tires and wheels, we can see our 17-inch alloy rims with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Moving up, we have a paint match finish powered outside mirror, as well as our paint match on our door handles with our keyless entry. Moving around to the back of the vehicle, we can see all of our Chevrolet badging, as well as our Equinox and all-wheel drive LT badging. Opening up the rear, just next to the button, we can see we have our backup camera. Button is tucked underneath the logo. You can just press on it to open our powered liftgate. Inside the back, we can see we have plenty of storage space, as well as 60/40 folding rear split seats. And then up on the back of the tailgate, we can see our close button on the right-hand side. Moving into the rear of our vehicle, we can see inside we have a chrome finish door handle, powered window control, and some storage throughout. Moving into the vehicle, we can see we have 3 seating surfaces, all finished in our premium jet black cloth. In our center seat, we have 2 foldable cup holders. All seats fold down in a 60/40 folding split. Moving in front in the passenger seat, we have a storage compartment. Below, between the 2 seats, we have 2 charging cables, as well as our 2 vents for our climate control. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.